Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda CBR500R twin-cylinder 500, beautiful lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 1,650 miles on this cool tricolor white, red, and black CBR 500. Come on by. Make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true. This bike is in beautiful shape. Price to sell for just $59.99. Come on by. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.